welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'll be showing you all how I make my nude lip glosses for my small business that I'll be launching in June. Right now I'm starting off with the base. I got this from TKB Trading. I'll put the link in the description down below. It's an all natural vegan lip gloss base. And I'll be playing some tunes in the background while I give you guys a little bit of inspiration. So chill out, vibe with me as I make these glosses. Let's get into it. Starting a business or any venture in life can be pretty intense, especially when you don't know where you're gonna go or what the next move is gonna be. Take a leap of faith. Believe that you're going to make it. Everything starts little by little. With every action that you put into your craft, it pays off in the end, especially when you believe. Start believing in the goal that you want to achieve. You can achieve it. Don't let your doubts hold you back. Stop allowing your fears to hold you back. You are here for a reason. You're called here for a purpose. And if you're currently watching this now, this is your sign to take that leap of faith and start that lip gloss business. Launch that cosmetic business. Stop allowing your fears to hold you back. Stop allowing your doubts to hold you back. This is the time to do what you've been called to do. You have such a powerful influence on others. Use it for the good of the world, though. On a path to success, there are going to be some haters, because not everyone is going to be happy for what it is that you're going to be achieving. Not everyone can see the vision. Not everyone will be in your corner, and that's okay. That's when confidence comes in. That's when having faith comes in. Always stay prayerful. Just know that God is guiding you through it all. And sometimes the moment that you've reached that level that you've always wanted to reach, that's when you start to see people for who they truly are. When they show you who they truly are, you have to believe them. Sometimes your light shines so bright that it makes others question their own. You have to keep pushing. You have to keep elevating. You can't let that stop you. You can't let that rock you. This should only push you to go harder. The road to success is a journey. It's a lifestyle. It's a routine. You have to be willing and able to change your mentality. This isn't something that comes overnight. And if it does, pray that you can hold on to it, because holding on to success and longevity is remaining consistent in your thoughts, consistent in what you do, consistent in everything in your daily life. That is the true path to success, my friend. Do not give up. Keep fighting. Keep achieving. You're almost there.
It's about time for making up. Times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just in love with you. So confused, won't you? Won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? You can have it, place on nothing. I'll take you there. I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. You can have it, place on nothing. I'll take you there. I'll take you there. Take you there. Won't you fill me up till my cup's overflowing? I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you. it's overboard now. I want you to
feel that heat, and we can ride the boogie, share that heat of love. I wanna ride all night,
working in the rhythm.
I wanna
so right, cause we had trust. Now it's drowning in our lives. I know we're broken up, you know the feelings deep inside. So what's you, what we've been through, I miss you. And you
yeah.
Work, 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 work. To me, I feel work, 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 work. See me do me dirt, 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 dirt. So me by that work, 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 work. When you walk a line, 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 line. When the girl feel my dirt, 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 dirt. Drive me a dessert. Listen to if you're lurking.
Yeah.
You make a like, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work. You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt. So me by that work, 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 work. Da, 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 da. When you walk out, da, 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 da. Before the table turn, 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 turn. Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. If I got another chance to, I would never, no, never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your past against you? I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see this through. I hope that you see this true. What can I say? Please recognize I'm trying, baby. I feel why. You see me, I feel why. You see me do my da 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 da. So me by that why. When you walk out, la 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 la. When the girl from my touch.
yeah, okay. You need to get done, 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 and work come over. We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of the way to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done, 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 done. If you come on, sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas tryna end me. Oh, yeah. I spilled all my emotions tonight. I'm sorry. Rolling, 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 rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling? We just need a face to face. You can pick the time and the place. You'll spend some time away. Now you need to forward and give me all the work, 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 work.
You see me, I feel work, 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 work. You see me do my da 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 da. So me by that work. When you walk out, la 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 la. When the girl from my touch. Work, 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 work.
Thank